Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Coursera with Codecademy. So let's get right into it. So Coursera offers structured courses from top universities like Stanford and Yale with video lectures, quizzes, and graded adjustments. Coursera covers all the wide range of subjects including business, data science, and even healthcare. If we talk about certification, Coursera offers free courses but full access to certificates require some degree planning, which range around $39 per month to $399 per certification. It is best for academic learning, professional certifications, and career enhancement. So, on the other hand, if you talk about Codecademy, it's basically more hands-on, offering interactive coding exercises that helps you learn by doing. It is focused more purely on coding and teaches skills, offering courses like Python, JavaScript, SQL, and many more. So it has a basic free plan course, while Codecademy Pro offers $19.99 per month, which unlocks full interactive exercises and career pathways. So at the end, if you ask me which one is better, I'll say choose Codecademy if you prefer interactive coding, exercises, and hands-on learning, and choose Coursera if you prefer interactive coding, exercises. If you want structured courses from universities with certifications. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.